Hi guys, I'm back with another recipe. Today I am making my version of Ginataang puso ng saging or banana blossoms cooked in coconut milk. The ingredients are as follows. I have, of course, the main ingredient, the banana blossoms. This is the one out of the can, and this is what the can looks like. I'm not sure if we have the fresh ones, so the one in can is actually working for me, so I'm okay with that. We have also some garlic. I have onion, and since I like it spicy, I'm using 1 jalapeno pepper. I also have some spinach over there. I have a few shrimps, oil. I have shrimp paste over here. If you don't have shrimp paste, you could use fish sauce or salt. I also have coconut milk and pepper. There you go, guys. Let's get cooking. Okay, so let's start by adding about 2 tablespoons of canola oil into our pan. And then we are ready to saute our onions first. We'll wait for about 5 to 7 minutes. So next, we're gonna add our garlic. Saute for about 2 minutes. Next, I'm gonna add our jalapeno peppers. As you can see, I have the seeds as well. But if you find it too spicy, you could remove the seeds. Okay, just saute for a few minutes. And now I'm ready to add about a tablespoon of our bagoong or shrimp paste. Again, if you don't have it, you could use fish sauce or salt. So mix until combined. And then now I'm ready to pour half of my coconut milk. I'm gonna let this simmer for a few minutes. And then I'll show you the next step. Okay, so our next step is to add our banana blossoms or puso ng saging. We'll mix this. And then we are gonna cover it for about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, so after 7 minutes, I am ready to add in the remaining half of our coconut milk. I'm also gonna add some pepper. Mix it well. At this point, we have to taste for seasoning. If we still need to put whatever we have, either fish sauce, shrimp paste, or salt. So I'm gonna do it right now. For me, it's good. I like the taste. It's a little spicy, but it's still good. So I'm gonna let this boil again. I'll cover this. Then I'll show you the next step. Okay guys. The last two steps are of course adding our spinach. You could also add malunggay leaves if you have it. Mix it well again. And then at this time, I'm gonna turn off my heat. And I'm gonna add my final ingredient, which is the shrimps, or which are the shrimps. I just don't want to overcook it. That's why I'm putting it at the very last. And then the residual heat will just cook our shrimps. But other than that, guys, this is cooked. And you saw how simple it is to make this dish. So here you go, guys. This is my version of ginataang puso ng saging, or banana hearts or banana blossoms cooked in coconut milk. I hope you give this a try, and please let me know what you think. Thank you.